What a day, what a day. So, you know, it's not as that much of crowd it was yesterday. Came back home yesterday at 3 a.m. and then had to wake up at 6:30 to come here. Yeah, it's very far. It's A400, F35, and of course there will be C130 for sure. I am here in Radom Air Show and with a spotter ticket gifted by my beautiful girlfriend. Look at this thing, it's like crowds and crowds. We were standing outside like nearly 1.5 hours searching for stuff, and then here we are. It's F35 over there. Okay, let's go first. That's a big baby boy of Polish Air Force. Of course, it's Lockheed Martin made C-130 Super Hercules. Of course, it's amazing. It's just, I'm just seeing it in front. It's like, okay, I have no words to say. I remember I was down here in the shade of this truck, exactly this truck, almost dying, and I don't know, I felt like I had a heat stroke yesterday, but today everything is fine. The weather is perfect with perfect shouts of the clouds. This is just a different experience. Next year for sure. I mean, hopefully next year they host. But yeah, next time for sure. It's amazing. From C-130 to right now. Yeah, from C-130 to F-18, F-16. What a day, what a day. I came here for like 4 hours and I'm still going back. I have some more work to do. It's Sunday and almost 4 p.m. So So from C130 to F18, F16 and JS Sub Gripen 39. The only thing that I left is Eurofighter Typhoon, but I have some more work to do. That's why I have to leave. But it's still, the air show is going on behind me. Well, I won't be able to see the Typhoon in action, but well, I got my souvenirs from the Typhoon I don't know how to say, kiosk. Like, they're showcasing Typhoon, and here you have got the patches, the badge, and the keyring, along with the there are lots of different photos inside. I will definitely put it in my fridge. And the best part, the Eurofighter Typhoon mug. So we'll see. It's a nice day. It's amazing day. Hopefully we'll get back to my work as fast as possible, and not work, get back to my place as fast as possible. And I have some other plans to chill. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys, and enjoy the photos incoming.